Do you have trouble remembering to do your meditation? Here are 5 easy steps to help you make it into a regular habit. Hi, I'm Annya, your meditation teacher, and I'm here to answer your meditation questions. Today's question is from Lindsay. She wants help remembering to do her meditation practice, and she asks, how do I make it a regular habit? Well, Lindsay, what you need to do is make it a regular part of your routine so it becomes as easy to do as getting up and getting dressed. There are two things you need to do. Make it easy and make it obvious. So to break that down into the 5 steps, making it easy means choosing a time, a place, and a practice to do. So in terms of choosing a time, you could choose an actual time like 8 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock in the evening. But if you're anything like me, that doesn't really work because life happens and that time can go by and you miss your meditation slot and end up not doing it at all. Instead of fixing it to a time, I'd recommend you attach it to a part of your routine that already happens. So for example, you could get up, get dressed, and do your meditation. Or you could get up, get showered, get dressed, and do your meditation. So you're associating the action of getting dressed with doing your meditation, and your meditation can slipstream in behind it. In terms of choosing a place, it could be a spare room, could be your bedroom, could be in the garden. Whatever you choose, it needs to be somewhere where you can sit down comfortably, relatively quiet and with few distractions. Then choose your practice and then have either recording or the printout of your practice as part of your meditation kit and have that right next to where you're going to sit. So you have your meditation kit in your meditation space, and then you'll be easily able to do your meditation at meditation time. In terms of making it obvious, what I recommend you do is write it down. And that may seem like a bit of a fiddle and is it worth it? But it is, because writing down is a really proven way of helping you fix new information into your mind. So I recommend you get yourself a notebook and write this down. I'm going to meditate in, and then state your location. So I'm going to meditate in the bedroom, for example, and then write down what time you're going to do it. So I'm going to meditate in my bedroom after getting dressed in the morning. Then describe your meditation. I'm going to sit and use the 9 breaths meditation, or whatever the name of your meditation is. So then you have, I'm going to meditate in my bedroom, I'm going to do it after getting dressed in the morning, I'm going to sit down and do the 9 breaths meditation. Read that statement out loud to yourself as another prompt to get it fixed into your mind and set your intention for how you want to stick with this new habit. You can, of course, tell a friend, tell a pal that you're going to do this, because verbal prompts and reminders from other people is another great way of sticking with new habits. You can also put physical reminders around. So put your notebook in an obvious place so that you can see it around meditation time, and then you will have that physical reminder that you want to do a meditation. You can also, of course, write yourself a note. I used to use these luggage labels, and you need to put them in places where you're going to see them around meditation time. So I've put them in the kitchen, in the fridge before, because I wanted to be reminded to meditate after breakfast. And I also did things like put this rose quartz crystal on the windowsill in the kitchen above the kitchen sink as another reminder, meditate after breakfast. Now, the other thing I recommend you do is download this free PDF, your meditation starter kit. Get that in the screen properly. That's got a 5-step guide in it to help you start and stick with your meditation practice. And the 5 steps goes into more depth about how to choose your time, your place, and your practice, which practice to do. And it's also got that the checklist prompts of what to write down so that you can make your meditation really obvious to you that this is what you're going to do as part of your new habit. And you can download that from wisdom-mind.co.uk and click on the free downloads tab. If you have any questions about anything that I've said today and you want me to go into a bit more depth, or if you have any other meditation questions you would like answered, then pop them in the comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can.